Assalamu alaikum my friends. Today we will be making pasta with pesto sauce. Freshly made, not the store-bought one. And the pasta is gluten-free. It's made from peas, lentils, and chickpeas. It's super healthy and delicious. If you like this video and more videos to come, please like and subscribe and hit that notification button so you won't miss a thing. Let's get started. First, we will be making the pesto sauce. For me, I love pesto because I really love basil. This sauce is rich with flavors. It's great with any kind of pasta and also as a sandwich spread. You will need 2 cups of basil, 1 clove of garlic, 1/4 cup of parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup of cashew nuts or pine nuts, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil mild, and salt to taste. First, we will roast the cashews to release the oil so it will blend perfectly. Roast the cashews for a couple of minutes. You can use a blender or a food processor. In the blender, add the clove of garlic and the roasted cashews and blend. Then scrape the sides from the blender. Squeeze 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Grate the parmesan cheese to about 1/4 cup. Then add the basil and the parmesan to the blender and blend. Add the lemon juice and gradually add the olive oil. Just don't overblend. We don't want you to burn the basil. There you have it. It's the perfect pesto sauce. Cut the cherry tomatoes in halves. This is the pasta that I used. It's made from peas, lentils, chickpeas, and more importantly, it's gluten-free. And that is always a bonus. The best part is, it's full of nutrition and you could enjoy eating this pasta guilt-free. Of course, you could use this recipe with any normal pasta, but I chose to use this pasta to show you that there are great alternatives out there. Boil the pasta according to the packaging. Always boil any kind of pasta in a boiling salty water. Drain the pasta. Nobody likes a soggy pasta, so it's always preferable to cook your pasta al dente. Then add the pesto sauce while the pasta is still warm. Mix well. Then add the cherry tomatoes. Garnish it with some parmesan. Simple, flavorful, healthy dish. I'm so happy that we could enjoy eating whatever we want as long as we make the right choices of what we put in our food. And also I'm happy because I made this recipe with the basil that I grew. As always, enjoy and bon appetit وبالعافية عليكم. إن شاء الله يعجبكم هذا الفيديو وفيديوهات القادمة إن شاء الله أحلى وأحلى. إذا عجبكم هذا الفيديو لو سمحتم ادعموني واشتركوا في قناتي وصلحوا لايك وشير. وشوفكم في الحلقات القادمة إن شاء الله. مع السلامة.